Alloy LED offers tailored LED light fixtures that come in your choice of light color and length for hotspot-free lighting in almost any application. The Slim 5.5 fixture is the slimmest and lowest profile under cabinet and general surface mount light you can find. At only 1/4 inch high and 1/2 inch wide, the Slim 5.5 fixture is perfect for out-of-sight LED reveal lighting. It comes in your choice of light temperature, from warm white 2700K and 3000K, to neutral white 3500K and 4200K, to cool white 5000K. And your choice of length down to the inch, so it fits your application perfectly. This tailored fixture comes ready to install, is super low profile, and provides very bright lighting. It's also dimmable and UL listed for a guaranteed safe installation. This fixture is also certified to the California Energy Commission's Title 24 standard. The 95 CRI feature means the light shows the color of objects, food, and more accurately without a blue or yellow cast. The Slim 5.5 tailored LED fixture, only from Alloy LED.